Hello people. As we know that there is a danger of war in our country with China nowadays. So in this video I will talk about history of India-China war. After taking India's independence in 1947, China waged four wars with India. India fought the first war with China in 1962. The main cause of the war was a dispute over the sovereignty of the widely separated Aksai Chin and Arunachal Pradesh border region. This war was waged by China at a time when India was starting to believe on them, and slogan of Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai were raised. We lost this war, but there are many reasons behind this. At that time, the army had neither resources nor sufficient budget. The budget of the army was only 350 crores. Even we did not have good weapons to fight. There were 80,000 soldiers from China while only 20,000 from India. Everyone knows very well that the soldiers were not ready to fight. Our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru does not get much importance to army. In fact, he always said that India follows the path of non-violence and India is not threatened by anyone. After defeat by China, he woken up. If India had taken the right decision, then India's victory would have been assured at that time also. In 1967, after 5 years of this incident, Indian soldiers take the revenge of the war of 1962. They killed many soldiers of China. This war was fought in Nathula and Chola front of Sikkim, when China claimed its illegal right in India. At the end, India got victory. Chinese forces withdraw from Chola and ceasefire arranged to end Nathula clashes. By doing so, India restored its self-respect and protected its land from China. And now we will move to the next war between India and China. After the gapping of 20 years, in 1987, the third conflict happened in the Samdrang-Chu with Chinese army. Samdrang-Chu is a river flowing in the Tawang district of the state of Arunachal Pradesh, India. It flows northeast from the confluence site of Namkachu and Nyamjangchu. The foundation of this conflict was led by China in 1986. It was a bloodless struggle. Both India and China showed their military restraint. No soldiers was killed in this. The two countries then took some steps to avoid unprovoked warfare on the line of actual control. And next, we will talk about fourth conflict between India and China. The 2017 military border standoff between India and China was caused by the Chinese construction of a road in Doklam near a Tree Junction border area. On 16th June 2017, on the road present in the southward of Doklam, Chinese troops began to expand the existing road by construction equipment and vehicles. And China announced that they had withdrawn all of their troops from the face of site at Doklam. This conflict was started from 16th June 2017 and end on 28 August 2017. Means it was continued 2 months, 1 week and 5 days. Let us talk about the present situation. In 2020, there are again conflict started between China and India. On June 15-16, 20 soldiers, including a colonel of the Indian Army, were killed in this clash on LAC in the Galwan Valley of Ladakh. So here, a question arises, what is LAC? There is a 3,500 km long line between India and China called the Line of Actual Control, LAC. And we also got information that there are 43 casualties including dead and seriously injured from China's side. The current dispute began in the third week of April, when an increase in the number of Chinese troops and heavy trucks was seen along the Ladakh border. Currently, Chinese troops have moved back 1 to 1.5 km from the LAC. The 2020 conflict is still continue. China is being forced to return, but their vehicles and tent can still be seen at the border. So these are some conflicts between India and China. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.